Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our exercise 9.6, in which we will learn about rational numbers between two rational numbers. Means how can we find rational numbers between two rational numbers? Suppose we are given minus 2 by 3 and 1 by 4. We have to find the halfway between two rational numbers. We have to find the exactly halfway. We have to find exactly halfway between these two rational numbers. To get a rational numbers exactly halfway between these two rational numbers, we simply determine their average. How can we find the average? Suppose this one is a, this number is b. How can we find the average of a and b? A plus b divided by 2. In this way, rational numbers. How can we find the average of two rational numbers? First rational number plus second rational number whole divided by 2. Now, minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Addition of two rational numbers. Here denominator is 3. Here denominator is 4. Both denominators are different. So, we have to find the LCM of 3 and 4. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? 12. Now, 3 fours are 12. Then, we have to multiply minus 2 by 4. Minus 2 multiplied by 4. 4 threes are 12. So, we have to multiply 1 by 3. Whole divided by 2. Minus 2 fours are minus 8 plus 1 threes are 3 whole divided by 12 whole divided by 2. Minus 8 plus 3 minus 5 by 12 whole divided by 2. This can also be written as 2 by 1. Now this rational number is divided by this rational number can be solved. Minus 5 by 12 multiplied by reciprocal of the second rational number 1 by 2. In this way we will get minus 5 whole divided by 24. Now minus 5 divided by 24 is a rational number that lie exactly in between two rational numbers. Let's take another question. Question number 1 of exercise 9.6. We have to find the halfway between these two rational numbers minus 5 by 8 and minus 1 by 4. You have to find exactly halfway. Halfway means you have to find your average. First number plus second number whole divided by 2. Now in this rational number denominator is 8. In this rational number denominator is 4. Both denominators are different. So we have to find the LCM of 4 and 8. What is the LCM of 4 and 8? 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 2 ones are 2. Now multiply these two. 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. In this way LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. 8 ones are 8. So we have to multiply minus 5 by 1. 4 twos are 8. So we have to multiply minus 1 by 2. Whole divided by 2. Minus 5 minus 2 by 8 divided by 2. Minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 by 8 whole divided by 2. This can also be written as minus 7 by 8 and the reciprocal of the second rational number. Now we will obtain minus 7 by 16. Minus 7 by 16 is a rational number that lie exactly between minus 5 by 8 and minus 1 by 4. Now the second case is, suppose we have to find 4 rational numbers, 5 rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. Firstly, we should know there are infinite numbers of rational numbers between two rational numbers. Means between two rational numbers there are unlimited, or you can say infinite number of rational number lies. Now, suppose we have to find the 4 rational number between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. We have to find 4 rational number between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. How can we find 4 rational numbers? To find the 4 rational number, we have to convert the given rational numbers into rational number with the same denominators, so that we can find the 4 rational number between these two rational numbers. Now 1 by 2. In case of rational number 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, we have to make denominator same, that is also divisible by 2 and as well as divisible by 3. So we make denominator as 48. We make same denominator as 48. How can we make 1 by 2? 2 as 48. If we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 24, we get denominator as 48. Now we will get 24 by 48. 2 by 3. Now in this rational number, how can we make denominator as 48? If we multiply numerator and the denominator by 16. This rational number is equivalent to 2 by 3 if we multiply and divide the same number to the rational number, means this is the equivalent rational number of 2 by 3. Now 2 multiplied by 16, 32, divided by 3 16s are 48. Now 24 by 48 and 32 by 48, we can insert many rational numbers between these two rational numbers. We have to find these two rational numbers. Now, in between 25 divided by 48, 26 divided by 48, 27 divided by 48, 28 divided by 48, 29 divided by 48, 30 divided by 48, and 31 divided by 48. Means in between these two rational numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 rational numbers lie. We have to find only 4 rational numbers. You can take any 4 rational numbers out of these 7 rational numbers. Suppose we take 26 by 48, 27 by 48, 30 by 48 and 31 by 48. These 4 rational numbers can be any rational number out of these 7 rational numbers. Now let's take another question. Suppose we have to find the rational number, 4 rational number between minus 3 by 10 and 2 by 5. To find 4 rational numbers between these two rational numbers, we have to convert these two rational numbers equivalent rational number with the same denominator as. If we multiply by 2 and 2, 20, 20. 20 is divisible by 10 and as well as 20 is divisible by 5. So we make same denominator as 20. Now minus 3 by 10, how can we make denominator n as 20? If we multiply numerator and the denominator by 2, we get denominator as 20. It will get minus 6 by 20. Now 2 by 5, how can we make 5 as 20? If we multiply the numerator as well as denominator by 4, we get 8 by 20. We get the same denominator 20 and 20. Now we have to find the 4 rational number in between minus 6 by 20 and 8 by 20. We can insert many rational numbers. Minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, minus 2 by 20, and so on, 4 by 20, 5 by 20, 6 by 20, and 7 by 20. Out of these rational number, in between these two rational number, there are many rational numbers lie in between. We can choose any four rational numbers. Suppose we take minus 4 by 20, minus 2 by 20, 4 by 20, and 5 by 20. These four rational numbers can be any rational number out of these rational numbers. In this way, we can find rational numbers out of, or you can say in between two rational numbers. Firstly, you have to make same denominator. Then, how can we make 10 as 20? If we multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, we get the same denominator of 20. 2 by 5. How can we make 5 as 20? If we multiply the numerator and denominator by 4, we get denominator as 20. Now, minus 6 by 20 and 8 by 20. In between these two rational numbers, there are infinite number of rational numbers. We can take any four rational numbers between these rational numbers. Thank you.